Do you have problems managing an entire project in a specific time frame? Project management has developed into a separate field within the business ecosystem, building problems for many companies in the pipeline. Realizing the importance of project management, the need to create effective project planning is ideal. In this video, our primary focus is going to be creating a project plan to help all companies alleviate the problems they face in covering it. Are you still confused about how to project plan? As we have come up with a solution to this particular problem, the project planning process will be existentially resolved, leaving you with a proper platform to achieve all goals associated with the project. EdrawMax is an effective solution to effective project planning. The software is aligned with the best resources for the companies, which can help it think in critical thinking associated with project planning and in its execution. In this video, we will continue discussing how EdrawMax will help create an effective project plan with its introduced AI features. When it comes to understanding the terms, the basics of project management are an important checklist for creating the right strategy for a project. Understanding the terminologies of project management is desirable for a company to understand how to manage project properly. Luckily, EdrawMax makes understanding of project management process easy. An effective project management system should be able to clearly define the goals and objectives of your project, define tasks, manage a timeline, and be adjustable. The feature of AI Mind Map is designed to provide comprehensive diagrams explaining the entire process that is being prompted by the AI feature. With the help of the AI chatting function offered in EdrawMax, the user can dissect the terminologies included in project management, from realizing the entire project management layout to understanding the definitions of the terms. Teams will be able to figure out projects easily. This essentially improves the project management process with better coverage of all the time constraints. To figure out how EdrawMax AI is utilized in the entire workflow, look ahead in the steps for increasing your knowledge of using this tool. Step 1 is going to be opening up EdrawMax on your computer after downloading it successfully. So first, what we're going to want to do is go to this blank drawing section and create a new canvas. Then we're going to want to select this AI section on the top. Then after you go to your new design, you're going to press on the AI tab here and then click on the Edraw AI Assistant. Next, what you're going to do is select the mind map prompt and type in how to create effective project planning, and then enter it. And this entire mind map is going to be made in just a few seconds. It's crazy how awesome this is. Wow, look at this. It's creating this so quickly. Now, as you can see, this is going to make you aware of what the project planning process is like. And once you are aware of the project management process, it will be easy to manage any nature of the project. One essential pillar in project management is risk management, which determines the future and success of the entire project. Calculating the risks associated with it is believed to be a major driving force to lead further. Following the project risk assessment, a complete risk management plan is created by the team. When it comes to creating such a plan, the time frame cannot be determined if it is done manually. That is where EdrawMax comes as a utility for the users. All you have to do is utilize the risk management template available on the platform, which can be easily edited and managed. If you're not aware of this template and how to use it, we have provided a comprehensive discussion showing how the entire template is managed through EdrawMax. Look below to understand the simplified steps of creating a template about managing risks after identification. So as you open the EdrawMax tool on your computer, look for the new option over here on the left panel and continue to select the project management option right here. You will see the risk management button in the available templates that you can continue with. So press create new. And now what you can do is once again, go to the AI section up here, go to Edraw AI. Then we're gonna select flowchart right here. And we're gonna type in how to process risk ranking in a project involving procurement future state implementation. Then press enter. And just like before, it's going to create this entirely with the AI. It's going to create an entire flowchart right in front of you, intertwine your recognized risks, and determine the impact and probability of the risk, helping you determine the ranks positively. To make the flowchart more elaborate, you can also extend the content through AI. For that, right-click on any of these different elements and continue to AI-generated content. As the dropdown opens, select any of these different options, such as make this passage longer, to get more insights on project tasks. As you can see, this is working on the request, and you can see that it elaborated on it. Now, after managing your project risk management, you need to continue with the person-wise allocation of the request. The completion of the project is the foremost requirement of the team, which is why it is necessary to process who is present in the team. After the identification of the role and responsibility of the project team, some people require a shout out. The project stakeholders, the customers, and the provider need to be highlighted properly. This way, the team will be able to manage and coordinate with the customer. The stakeholders are identified. The assignment of roles and responsibilities is the next big step to the completion of the project. While the project roles are being analyzed and distributed, resource allocation should be dealt with properly. The project team roles are the significant pillar towards the success of a project. Thus, it is necessary to keep a good check on the entire resources that will be required in the project. With the allocation of the entire process to the team, it will get easier for the team to draw a map towards the completion of the project. Following the allocation of the roles and responsibilities, the need to estimate the project timeline is a necessity. Are you aware when your entire project is to end? For that, sticking to a timeline is important for the project success. While you create a project schedule, you can include the specific deliverables to the project. This will help you determine how specific you will need to be in completing the project. Setting up the project milestones and allocating resources is a part of the project schedule. If you fail to create such a timeline for your project, you can face many problems in concluding it. Thus, the best way to explain how to get projects back on track is possible through EdrawMax. Its AI tools provide leverage to users in completing the entire project with proper resource allocation and project scheduling. For the better understanding of the operations of the project, you can take the help of the templates available at EdrawMax. With the help of AI, you can create the best results utilizing the project timelines templates available on the platform. As an example, we have highlighted a comprehensive overview of how to create an entire project timeline template through EdrawMax. Step 1, you're going to open up EdrawMax, go into project management from the left panel, and then create a project timeline and press create new. After you select the template, you will find that there's this entire project timeline section over here. You can use these elements available in this left-hand panel to make your own project timeline based on your requirements. You can see how it interactively works, and all these elements can be used together. Say I wanted to do a timeline for creating a video project, I can do record a video, and this is the timeline here. I can put a specific description for recording. Then you could use one of these to put down the editing timeline. So editing video. Then there's a time for review of said video. And say this was a long project where we had to do all the recording, editing, and review for a long course, and this timeline would make some sense. EdrawMax has shown you the right way to create the best system that covers the deliverables in project management. While you're all set with project planning, you can enhance your productivity with the help of flowcharts and mind maps available at EdrawMax. You can also utilize the template services to design the perfect project template that can be customized at any stage. You can find more templates in the template community offered by EdrawMax. The service features some of the greatest options to help beginners create the finest project guidelines that will effectively help them in project management. After devising the entire project management, the only thing left is to execute the entire plan. Project management software such as EdrawMax makes it extremely easy for everyone to enhance their career in a positive direction. Those who want to display their diagrams to their team for collaboration, they can utilize the services of EdrawMax online for better results. We hope that this video has helped guide the users to find the right project management guide for their occupation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.